if you've got sticky buttons in your car, like this, I'm going to show you in this video how to fix it. Let's go! Hey guys, welcome to I Fix My Benz channel. Here is a Mercedes S-Class with the sticky buttons on the steering wheel. Look at that. It's disgusting. It's sticky. I have already done this side. Look. It's clean. It's like brand new. It is smooth. And so this is before and this is after. The result is amazing. I'm going to tell you how to do that. It's very easy. All you need is that product. Dunlop 65. It's a guitar fretboard cleaner. The brand is Dunlop. It's in fact concentrated lemon oil. Can you see what is written here? Musical Accessories USA. Dunlop 65 fretboard. You can find it in any musical accessory store or guitar store. Here at the bottom it's written in French, Huile de citron ultime, and it means ultimate lemon oil. And you're going to use that. I'm going to show you. So you take this product, you press the bottle and you apply the product on the button. Mercedes-Benz and other car manufacturers put a varnish coat on plastic buttons to give them a premium look. And the problem is that with time, with the heat, the sun, this varnish coat deteriorates and becomes sticky. The goal is therefore to remove it so as to find a perfectly clean button underneath. And it is very important not to use WD-40 or other aggressive product such as acetone or gasoline. Maybe this would allow you to remove the sticky materials, but you would damage the button. You could, for example, erase the white markings or completely discolor the button that is brown here. On the contrary, this product is totally safe. You cannot do any damage. And now, all you have to do is to wait 5 or 10 minutes. So I'll be back within 5 minutes. Here we are, 5 minutes later. Now you take a towel, microfiber towel, with water, just water, very easy, and you're going to remove the sticky coat. Look at that. Okay, so we go. Just have to clean the button, and look, we are removing the coat, the sticky coat. Okay, we change side. Okay, and look, you see? Here there's no coat anymore. I'm going to clean the bottom. Water. Okay. So side. See that? Okay, now it's clean. Yeah, clean.
Okay, look at that. Okay, you can take a paper towel. Okay, oula. Okay. Well, it's not easy with the camera in one hand to clean just with the left hand. Okay, so you've got, this is the result. You can see difference between this sticky button and this one. Now it's smooth. Now it's near like new. And what you can do is to do another application just to have a perfect finish. Okay, so another application. And you can see that this is totally safe for the button. We're going to wait just 30 seconds. And if you do not have this product, you can use lemon juice like that. It's a bottle of lemon juice. Well, it's near the same thing, but it takes longer if you just use lemon juice. Or you can take a lemon and you press a lemon, you put the juice in a glass, and you do the same job. No? So we're going to see now. Okay. To rinse that. Okay, it's done. Okay, now it's nice. I'm going to dry that. Okay, you see now? Okay, look at that. Before and after. Now it's clean, totally clean, and no sticky anymore. Thank you guys for watching. See you, bye.